Today we are making lemon rosemary chicken. You'll need a lemon, 4 cloves of garlic, an onion, carrots, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, rosemary, cayenne pepper, black pepper, adobo seasoning, salt, parsley, and of course a chicken. Be sure to take note how much it weighs for the cooking time. 1 pound takes 20 minutes.
Now, let's prep the ingredients.
Wash your vegetables, then dice them into 1-inch cubes. Slice your onions and mince your garlic and set aside.
Preheat the oven to 475 degrees.
Now place your cubed vegetables in the pot and gently mix. Next, rinse your chicken with cold water and be sure to take the parts bag out of the cavity of the chicken.
Time to season the chicken. Stuff half of the garlic inside.
I place the chicken, breast side down, in the pot to have a more tender and flavorful white meat. Season the chicken inside and outside with black pepper. Feel free to add or substitute any seasonings depending on your taste buds. Adobo, salt, parsley, rosemary, cayenne pepper, garlic, and the juice of 1 lemon. Finally, cut up the lemon rind and stuff in the cavity of the chicken. Once the oven has been preheated, place the pot in the oven and bake uncovered at 475 degrees for 20 minutes. After the initial 20 minutes is done, reduce the oven to 350 degrees. Then cover the pot and bake for 20 minutes per pound. Once the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees, it is done baking. If you don't have a meat thermometer, slice near the leg joint to ensure it is not pink or bleeding. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before slicing to serve. This is lemon rosemary chicken. Do you love it?
We love it!